Good morning, everyone. I am Priyasha from grade 9, and I am going to talk about my career, about the career and steps to achieve it. So, I have chosen to be a cardiologist. Cardiology is a branch of medicine which deals with heart and cardiovascular system, and it involves medical diagnosis and treatment of the same. Physicians who specialize in this field of medicine are called cardiologists. The basic function of a cardiologist is to provide information and cure for the cardiovascular diseases. So now, in the present daily fast moving lifestyle, there are a lot of risk factors like lack of exercise, lack of good eating habits, and stress, which lead to the uh, rapid increase in these cardiovascular diseases. So, thus, the requirement of more cardiologists is uh, expected. Now, the steps to become a cardiologist is that first you need to complete 10 plus 2, 10 plus 2 level of uh, school, educa- school education in science stream, and then you have to give an entrance exam like NEET or AIMS to get admission in a college to pursue MBBS. And after the completion of MBBS, you have to do PG specializing in the field of cardiology. For this, again, you need to give another entrance exam like NEET, PG, or ICET. And yeah, so uh, now the various institutes for cardiology education in India are AIMS, JIPMER, CMC Vellore, uh, Post PG Institute of Medical Education and Research Chandigarh, AMC Vizag, and um, so these are the references from which I got the information. And in conclusion, I would like to mention that this career is not just about uh, the job opportunities, but it also provides a platform for the it also provides a platform for helping needy patients. And I am glad that I took this as my career. Thank you.